Monday, August 20 at 8:06 p.m. I'm taking my second video of this. This is now my backyard, and showing again how much worse it's gotten. And again here, right here, you see how all of this water is coming in right here? That's where all my flooding is. That is where all of the flooding in my basement is right down through here. And I've just taken pictures and video of my basement because I already contacted them a handful of days ago before this rain happened. So now I'm able to document this to show why all of my basement is now and has been wet before this big rain today. You can see this down here. See all of this. And again, here we go here. All the way through here. And some ding-dong people continue to drive through this. They will. Okay. Interesting. That's going to make it even worse coming through here. Lovely. Gotta capture that.